Hi friends, welcome to the workshop. Today we're going to go thrifting at Habitat for Humanity close to downtown Athens, Georgia. I'm Ashley Cash. I'm the owner, the maker, and an artist and an avid upcycler. I also teach craft classes locally here in Georgia, and I have 2 booths at Hodgepodge Interiors and Antiques. This is my first trip to Habitat for Humanity, and this location is really cool. It's close to downtown Athens, and I had my little intern in tow, so let's see what they have. Okay, so you're going for the big one? You don't need the big one? I agree with you, you don't. Thrifting trips with the little intern are always pretty interesting. She likes to shop, so she does find her own treasures, and at the end of the shopping trip, we always get to pick the one we like the most. This Habitat for Humanity had a lot of great lighting options. They had a lot of items that you could use for a home office. They had desks, they had secretaries, they had a lot of seating. They also had a lot of coffee tables and couches as well. As you can see, I'm checking out this old rusty crusty metal basket. I'm a sucker for baskets, as you know, and this one was just way too cool to pass up. It wasn't priced, so I decided to put it in my basket and go take it to the front and ask for pricing. I got it for $1.99. When you're shopping at thrift stores and you're trying to decide on what items are going to be good for resale and what's not, a lot of times I'm torn. This pot that I just picked up was handmade, hand-painted, and from Portugal, and probably worth a little bit of money. However, it just really doesn't fit my aesthetic, unlike this cute little wagon, which would. However, it was overpriced in my opinion. So I decided to leave them both there for someone else to grab. These sweet little saucers were just beautiful. I love the botanical on it, and I even like the coloring of it. Had they had the teacups to go with them, I would have snapped up that set. However, there were no teacups. We looked and looked and couldn't find any. No, you could tell me that. Is it so cute? That one's a little spendy. It's kind of funny. Sometimes I can tell something's probably worth money. I'm checking out the label on this. It's clearly well made and has a nice maker's mark on the back, but I have no idea. I still have to do a lot of research and learning to really take advantage of the thrifting experience in buying and reselling for profit. However, I am a sucker for brass, so I did snap up that candlestick, and you'll see me grab another one in a little bit. It's like $3.99. Let me get that. Daisy Grace, what do you think this is? It's a poop?
What's that?
I have no idea what it is. I think it's just like some art pottery that someone made.
Look, it's a flower, Mommy.
They are?
No, there.
What, this?
That's the right one.
This is breakable. I don't think it's good for us to get. If you're looking for books for a craft project or to add to your own personal library, Habitat for Humanity here at this location in Athens had a ton of options. They had kids books, adult books, and actually a couple of antique ones and some maps. It was very cool. As I'm shopping around, I'm always looking for items that A, would be easy for resale that I don't have to do anything to, but I'm also kind of looking for items that I can upcycle. That's when I have the most fun. What I enjoy doing the most is taking something that was otherwise discarded and turning it into something creative. Every now and then we will come across something that is well worth the money we're spending, like this cool candle making kit that Daisy Grace found. She's such a good picker. We got this candle kit, which you make 3 candles out of the kit, and I believe we got it for less than $5. It is brand new, never opened, and we had such a great time doing it.
Oh, this looks cute. This is gonna have fruits. It's have lemons, cherries, and apple fruit.
It was on a wall, I guess. This particular Habitat for Humanity has an extremely fast turnover rate with their items. I returned back to this location less than 24 hours later to hopefully grab a piece of furniture you will see later in this video, and it was gone. But not only was it gone, everything on the shelves that I'm filming right now, gone. So if you see something at a Habitat for Humanity that you like, you better grab it when you can. Did you find the brass bell? Okay, that's enough.
Oh my goodness.
These are gorge. It's not breakable?
No.
Here, how do you know?
Strong.
How do you know?
This is
You're right. That is plastic. You're very good. Very good.
Let's see.
That's not how you test it if it's breakable. You just tap it, and if it sounds like that, it's plastic. Just a public service announcement. We don't recommend doing the drop test on concrete flooring to test and see if something's plastic or glass. This could be cool. 99 cents. I think I'm happy with that. Daisy Grace, I have something else for the... All sets, $34. $0.99 for the plate. In China. Daisy Grace. I always have my eye out for a cute little clock that I can remake into a faux planter. However, this one was a little pricey for my liking for resale, so I left it there. Sweet this is. $8.99. If it were less, I would get it. I bet it's old. Huh? No market. I've lost my count. Y'all, this iron. I'll many times come across something that is really cool and really old, and I could use it in 100 different ways. However, I just don't have the space. So I end up having to leave them there, like this really cool fireplace front. Thank you for joining us on another thrifting trip. Go check out your local Habitat for Humanity. They have great deals, lots of options. And please do join us for our third Thursday sale on June 16th. All of our new items will be dropped into our website, www.theworkshopstop.com.